Welcome to another extremely sleepy and probably one of the most gross what's in my fridges that we've ever had. We were very bad this holiday season and we made way too much food. We just did not finish it. So let's get started. First thing we have, that is dough.
It was.
With clotted cream on top. No.
Yeah, it's green.
Small. That beautiful substance is spinach dip.
It was. This was cupcakes.
Rock hard now, of course. They were lovely German, but now they have to go by. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
This spaghetti's been in here for I don't even know how freaking long.
Oh, look. It's solidified at the bottom. That is amazing. Yep.
I don't even know what this was.
It was sauce.
Oh. It's clearly not anymore.
Once again, clouded cream on top.
Yeah.
That was supposed to be...
Cookie dough, I believe.
Yep.
Not anymore.
Nope.
It's also been in there for days.
Yep. Oh, that's...
Last egg.
I've had that for over 3 months.
Oh yeah, it's still fresh.
Believe it or not, that's not blue cheese. That's supposed to be a dough of some kind.
Most likely. That was pie filling, I believe.
Nope, that is mashed potatoes.
Going away. These I don't even want to open. I don't know what they are.
Rum cake.
No, those up top.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, dang, I'm
These aren't
really
even
tired
ours.
right now. What the hell?
These aren't ours. These are... No idea.
Oh, definitely sounds
Solid
not
now.
fresh.
Solid now.
Not fresh whatsoever.
This bread is...
Bread! That's
Green.
green. Holiday season, people. Holiday season. Deck the halls with boughs of green stuff.
Also green all over this.
And rock hard.
Yeah.
Now we get into our top shelf.
This is the round cake.
Yep. We ate most of it, but yeah, we are horrible this season. And for the Mac Daddy of all of them, for the Mac Daddy of all horribleness, this was a bread bowl with spinach dip in it.
Not anymore.
Look at that goodness right there. So this is definitely not right.
No. Yeah, I don't even have anything to throw this in. Set that back down there. We got a whole bunch of apples, but they're all soft and squishy now.
Yum.
So that's done.
And out of this whole tin, there is about a quarter left of this double layered. But it has sadly dried out.
Yeah. Apple.
Yeah. We have both failed this holiday season. We have both failed. We also have some green
Shrimp.
spotted shrimp that were used in the spinach dip. So we got that going for us. And we also have sour cream that has gone bad by 3 weeks. And
That's about it.
this concludes our very gross science experiment piece. Because I feel like we were so freaking tired during this, because we are too lazy to do this the night before. I feel like I should add a track to this of some sort to just spice it up. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. This year we are going to probably be a lot less wasteful, so probably not going to have as many, or hopefully at all, any of these What's in My Fridges. So I'm sorry if you really like these, but we're going to try to be a lot better about it. Okay, bye. Stay lovely.